friends, I am Siddhartha. Um, I am pursuing my BTech from Chandigarh University. Hope you all doing well. Uh, Before I go into start, I want to introduce my path uh, to join this industry. So my basic objective is here to learn programming and to understand the basic concepts that we are all lacking while we studying in college environment. I applied to so many places like all students are doing in the same manner. I made my profile as best as I can do. I have applied to LinkedIn, Internshalas, SlideShare, so many organizations, and also I get call from there. But my resume was selected by EME Technologies here, and I okay then I get a call from EME Technologies, and I come here and personally my interview was taken by Sunil sir, the managing director of EME Technologies. Then while I interacting with him, he tried to clear my all doubts and whatever I fear with all the queries. And overall, he resolved my all queries and doubts and clear my concept. Then I get a clue that yes, I can start from here my journey. I can begin my journey from EME Technologies. With my since my first day, I learned so many things here. I do basic learn from basic C as I have enrolled in Java, but since he built my concepts from starting like then come to Java gradually, and then I feel that whichever in whichever concepts I was being lacking in my past while I was learning my C. Then all these concepts I feel very easy while he teaches me, and I feel very good interaction with him, very open, and he also discusses some project work also, and in class also all students are very free to interact and clear their doubts also. Then from since first day, now my sixth day here, and I have learned so many things, multiple things, as I am doing internship here also. I have learned C programming. In 6 days, I have covered up all the concepts of C programming. Now I switch to Java. In Java programming, from I start from the basic concepts of Java programming. He teaches very well with all the concepts and basic knowledge. Also, with this, I got many assignments, day-to-day home tasks, which build my self-confidence and learning very well. I have gone through so many concepts that I have never read or studied in my college time also. These topics and tasks also motivates me to learn and grow very well and professionally. At last, I want to say that before going to any step or make fear of anything, just face it and try be positive with that. You can achieve anything.